Good day viewers, you are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations. We have x power 2 plus 2x over x plus 2 raised to power of 2 equals 5. And I want to find the value of x in these given equations. So to know the value of x, from these equations we have x squared. Let's consider it as a squared plus and the whole of 2x over x plus 2. Let's have it as b squared. This identity, it gives us a minus b raised to power 2 plus 2ab. As we are going to relate it together using this right hand side, therefore our a is our x and b is 2x over x plus 2. Therefore we have x minus 2x over x plus 2. So this one will be in brackets all squared plus 2 times a, which is x, multiplied by and b is 2x over x plus 2 equals 5. Then when we multiply this together, we have x squared plus 2x minus 2x over x plus 2, and all this in brackets raised to power 2 plus, here we have 2 times 2, that is 4, and x times x we have x squared divided by x plus 2 equals 5. And then 2x cancel 2x, we are left with x squared over x plus 2 raised to power of 2 plus, here we have 4x squared. Let's say we take out 4. In the bracket we have x squared over x plus 2 equals 5. Then after getting this, we are going to let x squared, suppose I let this one to be t and let this one to be t. Therefore we have t squared plus 4t equals 5. Then here, by taking 5 to this side, we have t squared plus 4t minus 5 equals 0. Here is a quadratic equation. By solving this using, here is the sum of the root and here is the product of the roots. Then we look for two numbers that the sum will be 4 and the product will be minus 5. So thinking of t squared plus 5t minus t minus 5 equals 0. So definitely this gives us what we have above, and when we combine this together and factorize out t, we have t bracket t plus 5, and also we have to take out negative here, and in the bracket we have t plus 5 equals 0. There are t plus 5 common here, and here is 1. Here we get t minus 1 multiplied by t plus 5 equals 0. Therefore, these are the two factors of the quadratic. Therefore, the roots are given as 1, minus 5. And if t equals 1, minus 5, and we go call for where we let x squared divided by x plus 2 equals t. So we go for the first one at t equals to 1. We have to replace this t with 1 and we solve for the value of x. Here at t equals 1, we have x squared over x plus 2 equals 1. And by cross multiplying, we have x squared equals x plus 2. Then let's take x plus 2 to this side. We are given x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. And to get the value of x, we look for two values as the sum will be minus 1 and the product will be 2, which is a result of quadratic equations. Then the number here is x squared minus 2x plus x, then minus 2 equals 0. So minus 2x plus x it gives minus x, then minus 2 times 1 it gives minus 2. Therefore we combine this together and factor out x. By doing that, we have x bracket x minus 2 plus nothing to factor out here, so we just leave it as x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore there is 1 here and here is x minus 2, x minus 2. It means we combine x plus 1 and we take 1 of x minus 2 equals 0. Therefore x equals minus 1 comma 2. These are the first two real solutions that we get for this equation. And also when we still recall again where we have x squared over x plus 2 equals t, and this time around our t here equals minus 5. Yeah, by replacing t with minus 5, we have x squared over x plus 2 equals minus 5. And when we cross multiply from here, by cross multiplying, we have x squared equals minus 5 open bracket x plus 2. Then we open this parenthesis as we have x squared equals minus 5x minus 10. By taking the whole of this, by taking it to this side, we are going to have x squared plus 5x plus 10 equals 0. And this is another quadratic equation. By solving this one quadratically, we are going to have two answers as well, which is given as minus 5 plus or minus I root 15 divided by 2. So here is a complex solution, and this is how we solve this problem step by step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.